How to change password on Edward Jones. Follow my instructions. Need to update your Edward Jones login password. It's quick and helps keep your account secure. Let's go step by step. First, open the Edward Jones website or mobile app. Tap Sign In and enter your current login details to access your account. Once you're in, locate the Settings or Profile section. This is usually at the top right or in the menu. Now, tap Security or Change Password. You'll be asked to enter your current password, then your new password twice to confirm. Make sure your new password is strong. Use a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Tap Save or Update, and that's it. You'll get a confirmation message and possibly an email confirming the change. Pro tip: avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. And if you ever forget your password, just click Forgot Password on the sign-in page to reset it. That's how you change your Edward Jones password fast and secure. Thanks for watching.